Ma, what it do, broski? It's your main man, Davey, the best co-host in the world. Young Rooster, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we finna make some s'mores, broski. Peep out the ingredients. Mom, boy, you wanna tell them boys what's going on over here?
You just did. We making s'mores.
I mean, like...
Oh yeah, we got the Hershey's milk chocolate.
Yeah.
Marshmallows, whatever type you like.
Yeah.
And whatever graham crackers are on sale.
Yeah.
And it's, oh, I think I put out too much.
What you gotta say? Rooster look like he wanna say something. You wanna say nothing, buddy?
What is this?
Yeah, man. So yeah, big s'more time. We're gonna check back in with y'all in a second. Cause we might be doing some other stuff too, yo. This is just one of them random videos we upload on this channel and holler at y'all, man. What you doing back there?
I'm throwing away all them names in the
Oh yeah, we did a giveaway yesterday on the Sneak channel yesterday. But yeah, man, Ma. Y'all stay tuned, brother.
Yeah.
Want a s'more?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one.
A little bit of chocolate.
A little bit of chocolate, yeah. Should I just do one strip?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wait. All three.
Oh. Okay. That won't fit. It
Oh,
would.
you can just do two
But
as
I just
well.
don't
Oh,
want
wait.
to.
Okay, so do two then. And then
Wait, what?
like that.
Oh, okay. Can I get Chipotle today?
You look like Chipotle today.
Thank you.
You can get a job at Chipotle.
Probably.
You should.
Thank you.
As much as no. But we only doing 4. See, this is to top it off.
Oh.
You don't put marshmallows in it?
Oh.
You don't put, sure.
Marshmallows. Should I just put one?
Yeah. Whatever. Hurry up, baby. And that is all.
Squishy.
Okay. Well, you don't have to put those on yet.
Charlie O.
Hey, Mom Duke's throwing them in the microwave. We're doing a microwave style.
Yeah, sure we don't have a fire pit yet.
Or we can use the oven.
Well, that takes way too long.
Black Charlie.
10 seconds. Oh, they getting big in there? They getting all big and mushy.
Alright, you just do it 10 seconds at a time.
Oh my.
10 seconds at a time. Whoa.
How many 10-second intervals would you say?
2. 'Cause
2?
see now look big and big.
Oh, shoot.
Oh my god. Those are like the ones I saw at the store that were already blew up. Let me see. Ooh. Whoa.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, I don't want to drop it. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Can I tell?
Oh, yeah, go ahead, put the tops on. And then we're gonna make us some iced coffee. So, yeah.
Gotta make it look mushy. Oh, this one. Oh.
Just slide it over with the top of the thing. Yeah, like that.
That's how we do.
Bam! How you make perfect s'mores?
You want to try them first?
Yes.
Go ahead.
I go first.
Chicky, you going straight in?
Yeah.
You want iced coffee in your thing?
I want a little bit.
Oh.
That's a lot.
Good, good.
It's good.
Oh, yeah.
So you don't want it in this?
No. Yeah. I mean, yeah. I just don't want the big one.
Okay.
Alright.
1 out of 10, what you give him, Chicky?
10.
10. Easy 10. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. How to make perfect s'mores every time. In the house.
Without a fire pit.
Without a fire pit, yes. You know what I mean? Mob, mob, mob. Y'all stay up, broski. From my family to yours. Look at little slobber jaws right here. Say peace, Rooster.
Peace in the Middle East, boy.